Hello everyone, this is Raghavendra Shukla and welcome to this course of microstructures. So today I'm just going to tell you how to visualize the data which you have computed from the previous assignment, that is the orientation of the fracture. So for that thing you have to plot your data using rose diagram, and for that I am using the software GEOROSE, that is the version of 0.5.1. So I will show you that software and the steps which you will follow for calculating for visualizing that data. And for that thing, before starting the exercise, I will just give you a brief introduction to the rose diagram. So rose diagram basically a circular histogram which is used for plotting the geometrical data like strike, pitch and plunge. And so it will be best if I will show you the software. So I'm just sharing my screen, okay? So this is the GeoRose software, and the version is 0.5.1, and you can directly and very easily download it from the Google Chrome using download GeoRose software, and it's very easy to use. So here you can see that there is an option that is here. You will click, and this is the option for plotting the rose diagram. So here you will type some value, like I'm just typing this 255. So you can see that this has come into a circle. So here it is half circle. You can also go to the settings and just click on full circle. That will convert into the full circle. So here I'm just I'm just going to give you the introduction what is rose diagram. That's why I'm just taking the example. So I'm just plotting from 78. Okay, that will add those things. Now, so what I have told you that these are the intervals. The angle is divided into intervals, which you will go to the setting option, and then you will click here, and then you will find all those things. Okay, it will be best if I will show you the sample which you are doing. Okay, so I will just close this. Okay, now I have taken the example from one of the students data which you have calculated. It is of I think it's of Kohima Das. So you all have calculated the orientation and copied it into the Excel. Okay, so here is the data of direction you have. Okay, you have all those data, x and y coordinates and length and all. So here is the direction data, and you can see that this is the 320 and all this data. So for plotting this data, just copy it. Okay, and go to your, oh sorry, yeah, so sorry, this is the data, and just copy this data and open your rose diagram software. Just click on the strike and paste this data using this edit tool. Okay, and you can see that your data is being plotted in half circle. If you want to use the full circle, just go to the settings. Here is the option of full circle. You can use it as a full circle data, and you can play with these options. If you want to, you can change the color of the fill. You can just click here on it and just take it as yellow, or you can change your background color. You can change your diagram intervals, like I will take it as 10 and grid interval as a 10. So these are the modifications which you can do. So here you can see that these are the grid intervals. So from the center, if you have the three readings in the range of 207 to 285, so that will go from the center 1, 2 and 3. So it represents that there are three data in the range of 270 and 285. So from this you can play with your data, and you can modify the view. So this is the plot of your orientation. Okay, just go to the back, and here is the option file. Go to that and export your data. I'm just exporting and not on in my desktop, and give it some name like diagram, and just save it. And you can also save this file. Just close it, and then it will pop out like this, and then just go and save. Whenever you want, means in your computer, wherever you want to save it, you can save it in GRS file, and just click on save. Okay, now I have saved that file. I will show you. Yes, so this is the final data of your computation. Here these numbers, there are some numbers. You can also delete those numbers using that. you know uh, I will just show you. Wait a minute. You can see that there is in the image which I have saved, that these are the numbers written here: 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the intervals written here. So in your software, there is an option that you can remove your where is that radius text. So you can just click on it, and you can see that it is gone. So just close it and just save that image, export that image in PNG file on where you want to save it, like GEOROSE diagram. Okay, and you can see that the final image of my GEOROSE diagram is here. So you can see that the most of the fractures are the direction is the basic direction is in this southeast and northwest. Some are in north 10 degree, east to south 190-degree west. So you can see that your orientation is now visible. So this is for the next exercise, and you will all plot this data. Okay, thank you.